Did you know that even Kamchatka was affected by the Crimean War in the middle of 19th century? Here, Russian troops fought heroically against the British and the French. Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky became the base for the expedition of Vitus Bering, who was the first to circumnavigate Kamchatka from the south. The city was named in honor of the ships of his expedition, St. Peter and St. Paul. 9 time zones separate Moscow from Kamchatka. This is the fish factory of Russia. 20% of fish and seafood are produced here. The Kamchatka Mountains are part of the Pacific Ring of Fire. Klyuchevskaya Sopka is the highest active volcano in Eurasia and at the same time the largest mountain glacier in Russia. A unique natural object, the Valley of Geysers. It is called the last great geographical discovery. It was discovered only in the middle of the 20th century.